Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. So hope you are well, and today we will talk about Poco Pad. So let's get started. First of all, we will talk about this Poco Pad body. This pad body weight is 571 gram, glass front, aluminium frame, aluminium back. Display. This pad display is 12.10 inch IPS LCD, 680p colors, 120Hz refresh rate, Dolby Vision, 600 nits, and 1600 x 2560 pixel resolution, and aspect ratio 16:10. Cheapest Qualcomm Snapdragon 7S Gen 2 4nm. Memory 256GB with 8GB RAM. OS Android 14 HyperOS. Rear camera is 8 megapixel with 2.0 aperture, and front camera is 8 megapixel with 2.3 aperture. Video capture. Rear camera can capture HD with 30 fps and front camera can capture HD with 30 fps. Battery. If you are looking for a long-term battery backup pad, then you may choose this pad. This pad battery is 10,000 mAh with 33 watt charging system. Connectivity Wi-Fi 6, 3.5mm jack, gyro, proximity, standard sound system with 4 speakers. So overall this pad is nice. So that was the video for today, and we will see you in the next video. Thank you.